am from Portland, Jamaica. I was born and raised in a single-parent household. After high school, I didn't really know where I wanted to go with my life. And so I started working to provide for myself and my family. And then I was introduced to this program called Passport to College. And now I am a rising senior at Benedict College, majoring in computer science. As a computer science major and an aspiring software engineer, I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to get some mentoring and also to learn from engineers, but also to gain some insights to the real world, improve my skills, or even getting some hands-on experience before stepping into the real world. And I think it was a great thing for TechWise and TalentSprint and Google to come together and really be out here supporting us. They have a great teaching or mentoring strategy. They have a great way of putting the tools out there for us to have in hand to use. We don't have to be spending a lot of money in order to get access. So I think they're doing a great job so far. I actually feel great that I got this opportunity. It's amazing, I would say, because when you're in college, you don't get a lot of experience per se, and this is a great way to be experienced, to gain some knowledge, improve your skills, as I said before. So bringing TechWise to America was one of the best choices, I think. You all did, and me applying was even better.